After freeze is a kink. The kink is like the freeze, but freeze is changing the direction of a whole hair. But the kink do exactly like that, but it gives a randomness in allowing the hair. You can see it gives a randomness allowing the hair. You can see it. We have a jacket and polygon things. You can increase the number of the freeze. You can see change the direction more, allowing the segment of the hair more freezy and more kinky things. You can render it and you can see nice. No, you can see we have more changing the direction along the hair like this zigzag mode. Again, you can control the amount of that and the variation of this. You can variation means some hair does not have 100% of the king and some other has, and you can see like the like freeze, the scale X and Y. You can control how much you want to scale X and Y position, and amount is control amount of these settings. 100% of this power is actually a strength of the king. The curve means from the root to the tip, we have 0% to the root. We don't need to such a kink. You can give it to that if you want. More kink to the root also. In some cases you need, in some cases you don't need. And with a small fall off, a smooth fall off, you're going to the tip and 100% of the kink. Again, you can control this effect by black and white code, like a noise. Just render. Make sure that the scale is UV 2D because we have an UV, it's projecting the UV. Scale it up, and you can choose this to better understand that. Scale it up. You can see better. In the black area, we don't have a kink option. It's the hair are straight forward, and in the white area we have, and in a gray area we have 50.5 power of the freeze. Okay, the kink, sorry, and that's it. The kink is more noisy than the freeze. That's it. We can deactivate it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.